Alright guys, we're gonna go walk around this campground and see what we can show you. While we're only here tonight, leaving tomorrow. I gotta check to see what time we need to be there tomorrow. So most likely we'll probably leave here between 9 and 10, I guess. But let's go for a walk. This is the overlook of our campsite. This is one next to it, which would have been fine too, because we've been looking over all this. Fishing down there. Nice. This is quite nice because we got all grass. This is got all weeds. It'll pop up, but different side of it. Alright, so the other side of the park there. So there's the dam. Oh, that's the nice one there. Black Series H15. Come here. Restricted area. Oh, there's some not letting anybody down there. Or maybe the cameras on boats, maybe? That's a beautiful lake, though. This is nice. Hey, come on. Oh, that's... Look at that camper van, that's nice. That's me all day right there. Alright, come on. 41. 57. And here's the bathrooms. How far is the bathrooms from me? Down there. So I gotta come up the hill to go to the bathroom here. And it looks like they have showers too, so it's good. Drinking water. Oh, there's another route down that way. Oh man, this would have been nice right here. All by myself. There's always your next down there, TrevDev. Come on, go to the van. Go to the van. Oh boy. Man, we got a lot of shit going on here. That's a double. Oh, that's a double too. That's nice. Go to the van. Come here. Oh boy. Go to the van. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, Doogie. Alright guys, well, that was a walk around that campsite. It was nice. I like it. You know, you never know what you're getting yourself into. I always like coming to new areas because you just don't know what you're getting yourself into. Like, this is a beautiful spot. I mean, you just pull out your own blower, blow this all off. You can have huge barbecue. You can have a boat out there. This lake goes all the way around, or reservoir, whatever you want to call it. Look at Doogie, he's so proper. Ben, we'll go to bed. Come on. Then you can do your thing. Then you can do your thing. We got electric out there, so I don't feel the bugs out, so we're good. Do your thing, bud. Do your thing, bud. I'm gonna close the door though. So I'm going back and chilling. Oh, actually, I don't need to have these shoes on. That's what I want to do. I'm gonna go chill by the fire, bro. I'll hear him crying if he wants to come up. Because I can see him right there still. What? That's nice. Like, my van looks like a miniature. So what they got going on there? Alright, guys. Well, we're gonna conclude this episode. The reason why is because we are only staying here one night. Then we gotta go out tomorrow to another spot, and that's in Atlanta. And then I'll figure out if I want to keep going on our adventures or I want to go back home to my home state, and that is St. Pete, Florida. Thanks for watching. American Freedom Tour 2023. Fired up.